The A.O. Smith ENS-50 Promax Short Electric Water Heater. A global leader in hot water tank production, A.O. Smith has been manufacturing quality water heater tanks for 80 years for millions of happy customers. The Promax series is part of the family of an innovative commercial-grade residential product line. A host of quality, tested parts make up the ENS-50 Promax. Boasting a 6-year limited tank and parts warranty, the tank alone features A.O. Smith's unique CoreGuard technology. An outer layer of aluminum, extending the life of the water heater, protects the stainless steel core tank. Inside the aluminum shell, a blue diamond glass coating ensures superior performance and an extra layer of corrosion protection. The most important part to consider when purchasing a water heater is the anode rod. The anode rod, sometimes referred to as the sacrificial rod, chooses how long the life of the water heater will function and keeps the internal parts of the tank from corroding. Like the outer tank, the ENS-50 anode rod has a core of rust-fighting stainless steel. An easy-to-operate enhanced flow brass drain valve makes it easy for draining and maintenance of the tank. The ENS-50 comes with an impressive list of accolades. It meets all code compliances, is approved for manufactured housing, is CSA and ASME rated, and is certified and design listed by the Underwriters Laboratory for 300 psi test pressure and 150 psi work pressure. Weighing in at 176 pounds, standing up a little under 5 feet with an estimated yearly energy cost of $555, and capable of recovering 25.6 gallons of water at 90 degrees every hour, the ENS-50 is a solid, strong, trusted, and durable water heater. Here's some pros. 1. Commercial-grade construction. 2. First-hour rating of 62 gallons. 3. Best gallon per hour at 90 degrees. 4. Design listed by Underwriters Laboratory. And 5. Built with reputation in mind. And now a few cons. Potential leakage issues, professional install, and some customer support issues.